Good day, sir. This is RJY Reponte from 2 BSN Social Studies, and today I am reflecting from the recent discussion of the Module 6, which entitled The Elections in the Internet Age. So, social media and the internet have become incredibly influential in modern politics. They've opened up political participations to more people, allowing anyone to express their views, connect with others, and organize movements without facing many barriers. This has broadened the scope of political discussions and activism. So, politicians, including high-profile figures, have leveraged social media to engage directly with the constituents or voters, sidestepping traditional media outlets and crafting their public personas. Platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram have empowered politicians to share their messages, address criticisms, and garner support to any time. For instance, politicians frequently utilize platforms like Facebook and Twitter to swiftly share policy updates, react to current events, and interact with voters. Notably, political figures like current Philippines President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. are recognized for utilizing social media to connect with supporters and shape political narrative. Furthermore, the internet has revolutionized political campaigns by facilitating targeted advertising, data analysis, and micro-targeting, enabling campaigns to tailor messages to specific demographics. However, this development have raised concerns about privacy, misinformation, and influence of technology companies or political discourse. So in summary, the internet and social media has fundamentally altered the political landscape by amplifying voices, enabling direct engagement, and transforming the dissemination of information and conduct politics. So that would be all. Thank you for listening.